Hey guys, it's Saturday evening here in West Virginia, and we're doing a bonus video. We're doing a Super Saturday. So we have a super treasure hunt that we're cracking open for you guys, and this was one that I was contemplating whether or not to keep. And since I received one this time on a bad card, as you can see, it's got a big crease down the side here. It's got soft corners. So we're gonna go ahead and crack it. This one I didn't pay as much for because of the bad card, and that's kind of why I bought it, so I could open it, put it in my display case. But this is really not the Cyclone I wanted. This is the only Hot Wheel gasser that I'm really missing, having one variant of. I wanted to get one of the original Garage Series releases, and actually that would be the first releases of that vehicle, I believe. And anyways, I do have one coming. I found one on eBay for a reasonable price, so I ordered it, the white one with the red top, because I love the wheel and tire combo on it. This one ain't bad though, so I will keep it and have two variants of the Cyclone gasser. So anyways, let's get him ripped off the card. And I've already kind of split it open beforehand, and as you can see, it is the super card. There's the flame logo and such. I don't have the regular variant of this to show you the difference in the card art, but usually there's always some different characteristic of the tampos or even the wheels on the card art versus the regular mainline one. I'm going to assume that the mainline one doesn't have the red hood stripe. I may be wrong about that. I don't know. But anyways, that would be the difference. Some variants of the card art and then the flame logo. So, looking at the car itself, this is the first time this car's ever been in the main line. Never had appeared in the main line previously. So this is a first. This is the first that this car has ever had a plastic base. It's always had a metal base because it has the rear tail panel, the rear bumper, the front bumper, and the grill and everything is part of the base. So that's why it's almost a necessity to have a metal base or have a chrome base. Really surprised they didn't do the chrome base on this thing. It would have been much better, in my opinion, with the chrome grill, chrome bumpers, chrome tail panel, and such. But it's not bad. I'm just glad to see another gasser made it as a super. The other one being the 55 gasser from, I think, 2014. But pretty cool paint job. The El Segundo Cyclone, and it's Mike's transmission, the TH, Hurst, Goodyear, and then the 427, the injected and blown 427 sticking out of the hood. You can see the cage. It's got a chrome interior. Not a bad looking car. Gray 5-spokes with a chrome lip on the wheel. Rubber tires. As I said, the Garage Series, though, in my opinion, are the best variants of this casting because of the wheel combo. It has the 5 slots, front and rear. They go great together. The other premium castings of this car have the like 10-hole front wheels that are made to resemble like the Weld Super Lights, which they look okay, but I would have rather seen just the 5 slots or even like the Nova gasser, the 66, with the really skinny 5-spokes, or even like a bicycle spoke front wheel. Something like that would have been really cool. But anyways, it is what it is. So that's why I opted to get the Garage Series one. And we'll be doing an unboxing on that when it gets here. And we'll be doing an unboxing on another cool garage car from 2011. And it is the not 2000, but the 1963 Max Wedge Plymouth. And we'll be doing an unboxing on both those together in the same video, probably in a week or so. And we have another video coming up Monday. For our Mopar Monday, we're going to be unboxing a couple of 71 Chargers from M2 machines, and then we're going to be doing a Mini GT unboxing next week on the Nismo R32 and Later on, we have a couple more mini GT videos coming up. Not sure what all we have in store next week, but it's going to be a good week. The only thing I know for sure, come Monday, we have the M2 Machines 71 Charger, a couple of older ones. Actually, we'll probably do one older one, and then we'll do one of the latest ones, which is the Auto Projects one, which is pretty cool. So tune back in Monday to check those out and enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. And here is our super that we freed on Saturday night here in West Virginia. Thanks for watching, guys.